Hey guys, Brian here with SLG Concrete Coatings. We're going to keep this testimonial ball rolling and head on over to Flying Flags Resort and RV Campgrounds, just the mecca of local campgrounds here on the Central Coast. And we are going to talk to Jeremy. He's the maintenance and operations manager. We're going to chat with him about his feelings and his thoughts on having us out and installing the massive pool deck that we did at their main pool recreational area. So join us and follow along as we chat with him a little bit, and we will go from there. But if you guys have any questions, please feel free to give us a call at the number below. And if you have any info you need, we will be glad to answer the questions and give you whatever info you need. But check out the video and let us know what you guys think in the comments. All right, we'll see you there.
It was great, really. I mean, I think I had called and then sent an email, and Frank was in touch the next day, and within 2 or 3 days he was already here. And like I said, it was just super smooth, easy process. Communication with everyone was very nice. I think it was awesome. I mean, like you said, there's a lot of moving parts. We have a lot of different areas that we got to keep track of if we're closing this down, and the communication was great. You know, if I had a question about this, that, the cabanas moved, anything, it was an easy process. I talked to Scott every single day, and it was just a super smooth, easy to deal with. Communication was always, very open and honest. I mean, I don't see how it could have been really any better, honestly. Well, so far, I mean, yeah, I've only really sprayed it off the one time, but it seems like it'll be a quicker process. We couldn't really do that before with the regular concrete. I mean, we could, but it wasn't very effective. But I had dirt spots all over the place from us moving furniture, and it come right up. I think it'll be a little bit of a new process for us, but probably even quicker. Yeah, I'm excited about it. It cleaned up nice already just this morning, so I'm stoked on that. Yeah, 100%. Like I said, the other 2 pools here, we're now opening those conversations. It's been, I mean, the perfect process from the very first phone call, email. It's been very smooth. I would absolutely, yeah. We're already looking at the other 2 pools and a couple bathrooms, so 100%.
Right on, buddy. Appreciate it.
Yeah, you're welcome, man.
And so there you go. So we personally want to thank Jeremy, the entire Flying Flags staff, just everybody for having us out to do this project. It was awesome, great experience, and we're looking forward to working with them again. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure to like, share, subscribe, and comment on our videos. Let us know what you think. We're excited to keep doing some more of these, and yeah, we'll see you in the next one. All right, guys, thanks.